Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is inspired by the Tipsy Bartender, and today you're gonna need some Amsterdam, some pineapple juice, some CURAÇAO. I really wish I had the grenadine, which was the mixture, the syrup he used in his video, but I'm using what I have on hand. I also had a small bottle of Bombay, which is optional. So these are most of the ingredients right here that you will need. You will also need some coconut, unsweetened coconut. Speaking of unsweetened coconut, you want to add that to a skillet. No oil, no fat, no anything, just medium heat. You want to get some color on your coconut. You could take it as far as you want to or not as far. This is where I went with mine. That's the color I wanted. Now you're also going to put on another plate. My bad, y'all, for the ratchet paper plates. You want to add some honey because this is what's going to help to stick the coconut to your glass. You want to, put your glass all in the honey. And next you want to dip it right into the coconut flakes, just like this. And that's it. Pop it in your freezer and keep your glass nice and cold until we're ready to use it. So now we're on to making the actual drink. I'm making 2 glasses, which is why I'm using so much of this alcohol. You want to add a whole cup of alcohol to the plastic cup. It's easy to pour from a plastic cup, which is why I'm using it. You want to add equal parts of your pineapple juice and your entire little bottle of Bombay. Yes, y'all, I'm going there. Then you want to mix that up. And then next, you want to take your glass and add your CURAÇAO gently to the bottom of your glass, about a ½ inch up. Gently, guys, right down the middle, gently. Next, you want to take a spoon and start adding your ice. Now, the reason why you need a spoon to start adding the ice is you don't want to drop your ice down in there and then splash the CURAÇAO up the glass. So, like the first couple pieces, you want to use a spoon to just ladle it down into your glass so that you don't splash it all over the place. Then you can just start popping them right down in there. Just like with the ice, you want to run your liquor mixture now right down the spoon on a slow pace so that you don't disturb your syrup on the bottom. I know, y'all, I'm making it sound technical, but it's really not. You just really don't want to mess with the blue syrup in the bottom. Basically, you want that color dimension. And this is what it looks like, guys. And all I decorated it with was a pineapple leaf, a pineapple wedge, and I'm also going to add a cherry right on top. As you can see, the cherry juice leaked down, but that's fine. It's still cute. The drink is delicious. It's refreshing. It's 100 degrees in Texas right now, so these drink recipes are coming, y'all. And I'll catch y'all on my next video. Bye.